Hey there, productivity warriors. Ever find yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, struggling to keep up? Today, we're arming you with 6 game-changing productivity hacks to conquer your day and reclaim your time. Welcome to Rich Elevations, where we break free from the ordinary and elevate your financial and mental future. Step 1. Prioritize your tasks. Let's talk priorities. Take a few minutes at the start of your day to list all your tasks. Identify the crucial and time-sensitive ones. Rank them based on deadlines and impact. Use a to-do list app or a simple pen and paper to keep track. Breaking larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps makes them less intimidating and easier to prioritize. Step 2. Time blocking. Imagine your day as a finely tuned machine. Time blocking is your secret weapon. Allocate specific time slots for different activities, work, exercise, breaks, and personal tasks. Use a digital calendar or planner to schedule these blocks of time. Be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed to accommodate unexpected tasks or changes in priorities. Step 3. Single tasking over multitasking. Focus, focus, focus. Resist the urge to multitask. Dedicate your attention to one task at a time. Research shows multitasking reduces productivity and increases errors. Embrace the Pomodoro technique. Work on a single task for 25 minutes, then take a short break. Repeat this cycle to maintain focus and productivity throughout your day. Step 4. Eliminate time wasters. Time is precious, so guard it with your life. Identify and eliminate distractions that derail your productivity. This might mean silencing notifications, setting boundaries with colleagues, or using website blockers to limit social media scrolling. Organize your workspace for efficiency. A clutter-free environment fosters a clear mind and sharper focus. Step 5. Take regular breaks. Even champions need to recharge. Schedule regular breaks throughout your day to prevent burnout and maintain peak performance. Use breaks to stretch, move around, or practice mindfulness. Physical activity boosts energy levels and enhances mental clarity. Taking care of your well-being is essential for sustained productivity. Step 6. Reflect and optimize time. For a productivity check-in, at the end of each day or week, reflect on your accomplishments and challenges. What worked well? What could be improved? Use this reflection time to refine your strategies, set new goals, and prioritize tasks for the next day or week. Continuous improvement is key to long-term productivity success. There you have it, 6 practical productivity hacks to level up your daily grind and reclaim your time like a pro. Which tip resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable strategies and tips to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching.